Keeping a school clean is certainly not an easy job, and that's why Hickory High School in Chesapeake recognized their head custodian for his hard work and efforts to keep students safe and healthy. Students, teachers, and Leroy Harper's family gathered at the school's auditorium to acknowledge his efforts, and while he walked through the halls, the students even recited sweet messages about his dedication. Mr. Harper was also named National Rock Star Custodian and presented an award from the Academy of Cleaning Excellence in Orlando, Florida. You can see there the student band and choir also performed a selection to show their appreciation for Mr. Harper. Harper says having his family's support means the world to him.
And it was just an honor just to see them. And without family, you really have nothing. So I'm grateful that I have family to have my back, not only my back, my side, all around.
You said that right. Harper has been serving the Chesapeake School District for 12 years and Hickory High School for the last 6.